Yes, we didn't come near Kamama Kobis because BBS, Mrs. Dennis, Mrs. Dennis,
BBS,
and Nura Captain, Antomian Quadjuma. Maybe you're fasting to me, Mrs. Captain.
Want to me on Quadjuma.
No after. Mrs. Captain,
want to me on Quadjuma.
I didn't hear the entire Captain to young Quadjuma Nurano or him because Captain a very serious code. No code or Captain Yano and yan normal. Odifo captain started ya omo say opese o ye campaign eya yi no obi akoba bi na adi wo ye fire nje ye tell no mmesa wo ni mmesa ye
ya nwene
ye abe a ye abe wi a echirim ayi no ye di so odifo obi afa mefe en wa fa titisika en wa fa mako
yeah.
And now, what so cocoon or dear doom, and now 1 month 21 days. And when you code now started. After code, no, Captain Benjamin and Jim Pompa, that will be there.
2028, the picture, Ebeba Barrot Peoples. Obeba be pre MP. Now, Okone done anymore, only David, and only Goliath Akoko. Ayakatechi Afrifa asem na America. Menim se katechi Afrifa nye obi aka asem a wagidie. Na no de opa won tenase. Na ofa nyansa asem atutu nyamesem we ameba beka ho. Efuna daka si wo man straight. Tie ni ye. Me na America me the prophet Rojah. Enkunimdie na ye ne dia 3 months to enkunimdie no. Nyame anka no hono anhwe na didie mu yia. Yete Ghana ha obitually eda homa no.
Okatakyire Afrifa.
I'm telling you.
I was saying, I saw you on social media, so and come shame you and I AD social media. So, back if you prophet Francis Amwakwata and a back also if you prophet Rojah. Now, about 3 days ago, and a Francis Amwakwata, Ebeka said, where Captain Smart, I want to say, well, Medjuma, I don't know, Captain Smart, I'm Medjuma, now, where Yarena, where I just say, when you're code, now code, no, a spiritual code. I was saying, I know that, Prophet Rojah, so I begin to go at the falcon, check if I want to say, it will be. Eden in the menu, and I'm gonna for him say, hey, Prophet Rojah. I was here, Messer so me as Robert so and then I work I saw the bone of the count. So I'm not putting it to my 21st person. Yeah, was every day. I was about 3 days ago, and a Prophet Francis Amwakwata, a 4-year program to program man. I know this prophecy we air Captain Smart. I watch say, Captain Smart come 2028 and we want to say, well, Parliament House now. And I'm so am I really Ababa Bebona a year code. Now code now Abu Captain Smart and was say. And then normal code, the BS code, the BS no. A spiritual code, and I'm on a spiritual code. No one to say, sir, a crazy na and then no. But when they say into near be our home, they will say, what I say, and yet no one, and you must so add that when I check Captain Smart. I was watching ye. What is our one, Captain Smart, any room. Now I met Masadam. Now, young woman could say, never, if I would get you.
And also, Corner, you must say, a couple. Then we call the third time.
The third time. Verse 44. So leaving them again, he went away and prayed for the third time.
Three times.
The third time, no, after you buy or someone resting. So we are not resting until we finish the third prayer.
Wow. Wow.
We can't rest.
Yes, sir.
We can't rest.
No. We have a duty to watch.
Yes, you mean we need Panama. You need.
Yes, sir.
You rest.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Until that, yes, yeah. Send them and I'm the question.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes. No, Mamma can't say Mamma put this on cancer. Yeah. Success is not based by what you see. Mamma police. Success is not about what you see. Because at times you environment and my own calling that. Success is about what you believe. Success is about
what you believe,
not what you see.
Not what you see.
Because at times what you see from your background, what you see from your environment. But success is about what you believe,
yes, sir,
and what you think. Every successful person with a different belief system and then thinking system. The American what I say. So I'm police and yesterday I'm going with Madu agogo. I can't say future too because what China brand is over. Na me buano. Dem kan what I say. Odi foi since nya me frɛ me. First time. Na ma me describe no. First time and na ma hu obi a odi fo. I say afia na Matthias say osi e bi ko na bi ba. Odi fo. First time ma hu obi. Mr. Mayedia. Mr. Mayedia. Who will be Odifo? That guy is going to operate by his eminent, the Archbishop Dankamurians.
Wow.
Now, Sabranti, Odifo, or your farmer say ya a wago.
Wow.
This way there.
A farmer a wago.
What do you would have been?
Yawo.
Or the Yaukesi. Udo Aburufu a wago. But we are something and Wabek and Agogo. A corner you can say, ya. What do you for? A brandy American as me who Papa Duncan Mantle Evanes. Who said, Martin says, ya, the Nina Tatis, or Chilcom Gura, or you're fasting. Miss Oyede.
Or you're fasting.
Oh, yeah, fasting.
Or if me who's a brandy and Genoa, not Madun, Jemidun and Jampa, Mudan a day, may can watch him about no confirm. Well, that was I know a Sunday. Or so that you answer Papa Duncan, a wooden dam. Papa Butuniso, and now, or being an answer bomb, a Jeffrey Papa Duncan, and you would have brandy. Or if we may pass a brandy, no, why we're going to ask, I said, the entire way you can do a good ye can say, Musa, what do a brew, not is when a boy Bruno. And yet, before beyond a young wago, a young a suspect. And to a chino to make a man Bible, or if to be what now call we make to motor my Isika. Number your Tiani Trisuka, and they are not and pray for him.
Amen.
And change his destiny.
Amen.
And change his future.
Amen.
Yes,
Papa. Yes, Papa.
But some who may be a friend Esther. What do you see a friend
Esther?
Mammy way or him only 30 years. And no worry. 30 years or what happened in Nikum, Mammy and Mammy Esther Americas or Yabini, we are 10 or Tina.
Show yourself.
Show yourself. Are you waiting? Are you beneath 10? Miss
Esther.
Oh, yeah.
I beneath 10.
Oh, no, do the but now when we away, Unkunibi.
Wow.
We won it back to back.
Okay.
And I'm going to
yes, Papa.
Now, the air, Yan said 30 years and you couldn't win no different. This year, make us a mammy, I was 70 years. But what be mammy at the kiosk from Ewan Zongo or Chenevaniska and the Aquayajum.
Wow.
Them can matter.
Yes, Papa.
Them can matter.
Yes, Papa.
No, don't finish your different.
Papa.
Yes, you can come near Kamama business because BBS, Mrs. Dennis,
BBS,
Mrs. Dennis,
BBS,
and Nura Captain, and to me, Quajuma. Maybe a fasting to me, Mrs. Nura Captain.
One to me, and
Quajuma, after. This Captain,
one to me, and Quajuma.
I didn't hear the entire Captain to young Quajuma Nurano or him because Captain, a very serious code. Now, code a Captain Yano and Yan Noma. As some making Mijina, a used America. So Captain taking me and Michiano, a multimedia, and I'm a
yes, Papa.
And we do we are from Kwamana a live worship. Now, Captain to watch Nika, Kwamana, and I'm friend Nico Mikan, I'm too, and I'm Yisika, and I'm saying, I didn't cry, and I'm a captain. Odifo, Captain started here, who said, or person all your campaign, a year, you know. Obiako, baby. Now, I did, would you feel you know, Messa.
Yanwene
ya bear ya baby ya a chim you know ya diso odifo obi afa mefin and wa fa titisika and wa fa mako dem kana mata
yeah
and na odi wa sokuko na odi agum and na wa magja no 21 days enti enya code no na started. Wow. After code no Captain Benye na ntwe mpompa that will be the last.
Wow.
True. Code Captain nyawe na enya no ma jana so na 11 days ene nura. Ani tin na yese nura wantumi anko adwuma.
Wow.
By bedum jani sesi ya company Captain Smart. I am telling you. Ori for the American one.
Yes, Papa.
Ochina I am baba kasi. Na mka sa mchiro. So pesa wo wa. Me bi kura wa. That of you. I bought some pay 2 months. Toffin way. When you're 52 grab, when you're 70 abel.
Papa, sign the shame. Or money be a house.
Jerry is okay. 80 Abushafo or Tina.
You're on baby. Mammy for now. Okay. Or Chino, you can't miss it. Oh, yes. Or Chino bar. You see, or him, I can't change. And I give me a Colombia. A president, the actual Abaman flesh, that was Anuaba, and was or soon dino, not yet Penocum, until Baba Jim Bible.
Wow.
I'm telling you, Colombia, the new elected president, and again Danuaba, or soon the near Penocum. the cartels ne person kum no and obi introduce o ma magin pie but of jan na jo kra anko dem kana mati ase no Bible say na Jericho ni yatum ene ya
abusia apostle abuako atan nkomhye no na yakwa kosie dia bana wo kire se code no kwanye no nko a na after code no na ntwe pompo pa na ebe wo Captain Smart and hwe ya na no akwa the end e the amano na no kwasam ne se abra prophet abuako atan e de nkomhye etu dia na Captain Smart eni adwumom na ye didi se ne nsa akasa prophecy ti ye watwe ye ma ye twen se kana prophet wo mo hwe se Captain Smart do ba adwuma no ba be confirm se ampa one major man onya code and no nya code wo hwe ne widiem ne se ne code no eye no na eye spiritual code and na se eye normal code ebusu say we da che ya prophet Rojah so aba be hye nkura ne komcho be hye ye e de fa Okatakyire Afrifa ho na wo kire se wo hu ne se Okatakyire Afrifa akonya bi da nanim na akonya no eye parliamentary seat na wo kire se enye parliamentary seat nkwa e da Okatakyire Afrifa ni wo se akonya kase bi pa da nanim a parliament won de obewura ho akoba akwa komienu na ne press aso no ebekwa koye akunya kase bi ya eda nanim na eno na wo twese se wanhwe ni ya food poisoning bi e wo sa akunya no ho obedi obekwa kodidi na ye edro ebefa dwanu ama na di ya obewu na eno na Ghana for se ready because prophet Rojah do yenim na nye nim no abrajo nkuma wo ba abonten a obekwa se food poisoning bi na beje papa ne nkwa je free ni so obekwa asase ni anche na ajo nkuma eto nanom e wo nse do prophet Rojah na be share kom e de fa plane crash no so obekwa ai anche na ben kai Ghana for ya ye plane kwata hwe ye man ne Ghana ye ni defense minister to sabe kan we no na eja Ghana for IM chef se wodi for ene de ohu intasem na wo kana so Ghana for e wa adwefoforo e de fa enkomhye ya prophet Rojah e be kan ya wo madi komo de afa ho na me ni kai kote enkomhye no ye ba be di ho komo
2028 ni picture e be ba baropped people so obeba be pre MP na okon na eda na anim no ono ne ye David ano ni Goliath ekọ akọkọ aye Okatakyire Afrifa asem na America menim se Okatakyire Afrifa nya obi aka asem a wagidie na no de opa won tenase na ofa nyansa se matutu nyamesem we ameba beka ho efuna daka si wo man straight tie ni ye me na America me di prophet Rojah Okatakyire Afrifa be yiniti wa Ghana ha aba be pre MP akunwa wo bro no ne mpotamu a ofiri na de omni yese oyi nitia ni trimu pone se obekon okon na wagye ne manfo ti asem ni yo ede wo mafiri nkwaso mu menka ne sa na okon na eda nanim ne nye MP kon esan se okon na edikan na obekọ ede ne bekọ akogura parliament house obekọ okon atosum you no de be sa de na ko the same house obekọ de atosum yensa de ne bekọ the same house de atosum na obefura konwa bi na sa konwa na eda brante ya America no wasim anim no bonwuma e bata ho na so chen abrosan wan hwe na didiem ni nsu no mu yia hwe ene date yesa osofo ene 24th enra ya 23rd yakoye chimienu e beba binya 21st on the 21st of this month abrante na nishu ade hunu mu de America isa na tie oso da ye wo pani bi ma na ka kire ne se ahiniye we da wanim na ahiniye na da wanim no ne ti na ni ne onimisa ye hunamu ahiniye but ahiniye na da wanim no ye di ade a enwo no beka wa no abosome miansa ansa na ye de watena ahiniye ne so the 3 months to say 2028 yan kwa 27 no tio nti yan record because me be say me no ye video na da wo na wiase nyina hu na da ache wo ekofa aba no afrem ya tena na obisa abrante ni be yiniti ni picture se be da ballot paper so ye beto abade ni picture urada kam abana ye to na eye David ani Goliath na sa abrante en be kwa akopre okokopre nkunimdie na dia de omni ye se nkunimdie na ye ne dia 3 months to nkunimdie no nyame anka no hono anhwe na didie mu yia ye Ghana ha obitually eda homa no
Okatakyire Afrifa
I'm telling you one day wopa omna bonten na sebi o meka de enim ana wonfa honam meka se adifo aba because minim se otimi oso adifo ma opa wonyi nanim no meka asem we o meka bibi bone mfa prophet Rojah ho ana o meka de let's give time na yentwe 2028
we de miam na menia no menen be kasa
me say men kasa o mehwehwe men so
men kasa ba we de
ana men so men pesa meni ni be hia because on we obi a wonye adifusem ni but me ne wo ka say ya me ka wa asem na Awurade hye me nka nkyere no come me say when it comes to politics ne sa ne man ma hye me church bo say majai me ye me nyam djuma Awurade soma me anam de abre wo fie but wonim say mpremprem na to say ya wontimi nsore mfa nko
Entebusia Prophet Rojah so ne nkomhye no na yakwakotie dia ba na no na Ghana for etrese sansem ya Prophet Rojah king dia ya dia Okatakyire na kasa kwa ba bonten abe candidate say obekọ parliament house or kwa contest de e was searching no we no Ghana for say enye prophecy sa ya wo ha hanani a wo de e kan Ghana for say mo kan say edifo no ensam no wo maka da ho no na wo makofa no mu bibia ka ho no mu da ba be ye nkomhye e de ama na so Afrifa yi no say the Prophet Rojah ka so Afrifa de wo ni say wo nyi nkomhye ni na we na kwakọ ye wo ni ni say wo Okatakyire be di ana say wo ni wo didi oba bonti no de ho response ba say be samba na ye de aba be so na se mi a e ko ti ni no say na wo si agye de for obi ene ne wo fa ase e wo media space na sa be ya obi ne wo fa ase kro na no na akwa kopi mu e wo parliament house wo mi nyina e kwa kopi mu wo no wo nyina mo ko nyomo ko di no wo nyuma bata ho mo nyina e wo e da wo mo anima e di foi na e de sa aba be so abonti na se wo so be dia comment e wo comment section at the amami all the social media handles too much ph or subscribe like share na for so media